guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Julia Evangeline, your sugar baby. Alright guys, so for today's content, another video, another unboxing guys. Alright, so let's see what's inside in 3, 2, 1. Let's intro first.
Nood na tayo ng mga good vibes na mga video natin ni Ate Lia B. Tara at mag-explore, tayo'y mapangiti, mga saya niya na hatid sa atin. Ito ang vlog ni Ate Lia B.
Open na natin. Okay. So, naka-pause pa rin siya sa loob. And, ta-da! This will be a full edition. Meron tayong dalawang backpack. One in purple and one in black. So, first, let's see the purple one. So, ganito siya guys. So, claiming daw na waterproof daw to guys. So, may pocket here, small pocket here. Another one, small pocket here. Close. Open. Ayan. Hindi siya small. Medyo malaki-laki na rin. Here, we have another pocket here. Ayan, pwede lagyan ng wallet or what dito. Next, we have the first pocket. Big pocket. May ano siya dito. May panilagyan ko dito na small. And here then, ayan, 2 compartments. Small compartment here. And the last one, yung pinaka-naikot dito, ayan, bigger one compartment is here. Ayan. Ganito siya guys. And inside, there is a keychain. O diba? May pa-keychain. And may diamond dito sa likod. Okay? Here, dito guys, meron din siyang pocket. 2 pockets sa side. Ayan. And meron siyang this strap. Okay. Ayan. May pa-strap siya dito guys. So, pwede siyang ganito. Ayan. Pero pwede natin sikipan dito. Ayan. Pwede na natin. So, this color guys is in lilac or light purple. Ayan. And, ito yung strap niya sa likod. And here, guys, ayan, dito, parang, ay, may pocket pa siya dito, guys. O, diba, may back pocket, secret pocket dito sa likod. Small pocket. So, pwede na nandito na lang yung, wallet. And important things. Diba? Ayan. And, ilalagay na natin siya to. So, ayan. So, ganito yung bag ko. Diba? Ta-da! Color purple. So, ito, para kay, ay, may ano rin siya dito, guys. Ayan, may pang-handle. May handle din dito. Kaya may pang-handle din dito. Ayan ito siya, guys. So, etong purple ay para kay Amelia. Here. Ayan. And the next one is black. It's the same one. Same design. Ayan. So, pocket here. Ayan. Pocket here. And then, here, may bag keychain din siya. Na-colored pink. And, ayan, compartment. And, tada! So, ganito siya. So, ganito siya, guys. Kapag black. Yun lang, guys. So, we have the black one and we have the purple one. Both are very cute and I love it. So, ito kay Amaya and this one for Kuya Raya. Ayan, bilihan ni Papa nila. So, yun lang, guys. If you're interested to buy one of those, just DM me on my Facebook page, Leah B 2.0 or Leah B 3.0. Madami ibang colors. Alright, may blue, green, yellow, red, yata. So, just DM me so I can give you the link. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Again, thank you so much for watching and see you on my next vlog. Yan lang.